Okay, so since we have 3 different people we're talking about, we're actually going to make a table for this to kind of help us organize. And so on this table, we're going to have George, we're going to have Charlie, and we're going to have Bill. And we're going to have their initial, and then we're going to have their value after a minute, which I'm going to write that in a second. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to try to get relationships. It says that George's page contains twice as many words as Bill's page. I'm going to write that in there. And then it says Bill's page contains 50 fewer words than Charlie's page. So if Bill has 50 fewer words, then that must mean that Bill plus 50 equals Charlie, which is great because then I can have Bill as Bill. And now I just have one variable in the whole chart, which is going to help me solve this later on. We're going to figure out what Bill is. Now, we have after 1 minute. And it says in 1 minute, each person can type 60 words. So that means that George is 2 times Bill plus 60, because he's gained 60 words a minute. And Charlie, speaking of Charlie, my actual Charlie's here. Charlie can also gain 60 words. So Bill plus 50 plus 60. And then Bill just gains 60 words himself. Okay, I'm going to need you to move. Sorry, he sat right in my book. There we go. Okay. So that's right here is my initial values. And here's what we have after 1 minute. I might simplify this up a little bit, but right now I'm feeling pretty good about it. Okay. Then we have this situation. We have that it says the difference, which is a subtraction, the difference between twice the number of Bill's page after a minute and Charlie's page after a minute is 210. Now, these little things I'm writing down here, I should probably add a 1 right there. That just lets me know I'm not using the initial value. I'm using Bill from 1 minute, so Bill from 1 minute, and I'm using Charlie from 1 minute. Charlie from 1 minute. And it looks like I don't even really need George at all. They just threw George in there to confuse you. But let me come down here. So we have that 2 times Bill after 1 minute. Well, Bill after 1 minute has 60 more words, minus Charlie, which is, and I'm going to simplify this, 50 plus 60 is 110, because I'm lazy. Oop, that's the 100, undo. I'm going to slide that 1 right there, perfect, equals 210. And so now you just need to solve this equation for Bill, and you'll get this B is Bill's initial value. So solve for B, and you'll be good to go.